here. I'm super excited you tuned back in for a new video. We are going to get this home all cleaned out, remove everything that is fall related. I know, a little bit sad. Remove everything that is fall related, keep them aside. We are not decorating for Christmas yet. We're just going to keep it aside so that to allow the room to breathe, your eyes to switch, like just switch around, and then when you bring in your Christmas thing, it's not back-to-back decor. Does that make sense? Right. So before we do that, I would like to encourage you guys. Over this channel, I share with you guys minimalism, share with you guys clutter-free living, how I take care of my home, my kids' room, my bedroom, how I decorate and keep it minimal. I want to encourage you guys in that journey, if that's a journey that you want to take. I see you guys in the comment area talking about that. This season's lots of the commercials are gonna start rolling in for Christmas for you to go ahead and be a consumer and purchase and buy. Let me tell you something. Christmas is not all about purchasing things. It's not. Guys, Christmas is about the love. And if you're a Christian, you believe that Christmas is about Jesus. He's the true reason for the season. So guys, I don't want you guys to fall into the Christmas holiday season, quote unquote, filled with toys, filled with gifts that people open. They don't even appreciate. They just rip the package through, and then the next day is December 26th and everybody forgot about all the gifts that was purchased, all the stress. You don't have to do that. Take your time. Think about the love that you're going to pour out. Do something special for people. It's not all about just buying, because what does that do? You're bringing more clutter in your room, in your kids' room. You're showing people and your kids and your family members that all Christmas is all about, it's about gifts. No, spend quality time with them. Without me rumbling anymore, let's get into the video, guys. Lots of Christmas theme. My thing can literally fit in probably one small bag, which I love. Now I need to go outside and grab everything down there, but that's going to be for a different video because it's freezing. We had snow galore. They even canceled kids for school for kids, and I'm not going out there. I'm just gonna go ahead, tidy up here, and clean the rest of the room. Let's go.
I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. A picture of you, 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 a picture of you. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along.